For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Getting affordable car insurance as a beginner can be challenging, but with the power of AI tools and smart strategies, you can cut costs without sacrificing essential coverage. This step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to do it. Step 1. Understand what affects car insurance rates. Before shopping around, understand the factors that impact what you'll pay. Age and driving experience. New drivers often pay more. Location. Urban areas usually cost more due to higher accident rates. Vehicle type. Luxury and sports cars cost more to insure. Driving record. Tickets or accidents can raise premiums. Coverage type. Liability only is cheaper than full coverage. AI tools can help you analyze how these factors affect your rates and suggest ways to minimize costs. Step 2. Use AI-powered comparison sites. AI-based insurance comparison platforms like Jerry.ai, Gabi, Zebra, or Insurify make it easy to compare quotes from dozens of providers within minutes. These platforms collect your driving and vehicle info. Use algorithms to match you with the best deals. Alert you when cheaper rates become available. You simply enter your basic information once, and the AI takes care of the research for you. Step 3. Generate a customized profile with AI chatbots. Some insurance companies and apps now offer chatbots that use AI to walk you through the insurance process, suggest coverage options based on your lifestyle, help adjust deductibles and liability limits to save money. For example, Lemonade and Root use AI-powered agents that provide quotes and explain policies in plain English, making it easier for beginners to understand what they're buying. Step 4. Pick the right type of coverage. AI can help you analyze whether you really need full coverage, comprehensive plus collision, often recommended for newer or finance cars. Liability only, suitable for older, paid-off vehicles. Use AI calculators from insurers' websites to simulate different policy combinations and immediately see how your premium changes. Step 5. Let AI track your driving habits. Telematics-based apps like Root, Metromile, or Progressive Snapshot use AI to analyze your real-world driving. Braking patterns, speed, time of day you drive, distance traveled. Safe drivers can earn huge discounts, up to 40% in some cases. For beginners who are extra cautious, this is a smart way to prove you're low risk and pay less over time. Step 6. Improve your risk profile with AI suggestions. Use personal finance or driving coach apps like Credit Karma, AI-powered credit monitoring, Dry Mode or Smart Ride, driving feedback, NerdWallet Insurance Score Analyzer. These tools use AI to recommend specific actions, like paying off a credit card or avoiding nighttime driving, that can improve your insurance score and lower your rates. Step 7. Use AI to automate quote refreshes. Set up AI alerts with apps or services like Policy Genius, Zebra Rate Tracker. These tools monitor your current rate and automatically notify you when competitors drop their prices. As a beginner, your rate may drop as you gain experience, so it's smart to reassess every 6 to 12 months. Step 8. Look for AI-assisted bundling options. Some insurers use AI to offer bundle discounts if you combine Car Plus Renter's Insurance, Car Plus Home Insurance, Car Plus Life Insurance. Platforms like Gabi can scan your existing policies and instantly identify cheaper bundles with better coverage. Step 9. Ask AI tools to find and apply discounts. Many insurers offer discounts like Good Student, Safe Driver, Defensive Driving Course, Low Mileage, Multi-Car, Paid in Full. Instead of manually researching each one, use AI bots on insurer sites or browser extensions like Honey AI to automatically find applicable discounts. Step 10. Use AI to compare insurance based on reviews and claims. Don't just go with the cheapest option. Go with a reliable company. AI tools like ClearSurance and Trustpilot AI filters analyze thousands of customer reviews and claims experiences to show which insurers offer the best value and service. This helps beginners avoid frustration with claim denials or bad customer support. Step 11. Use ChatGPT or Claude to simulate scenarios. Use an AI assistant like ChatGPT to compare coverage options. Simulate how moving to a new zip code affects your premium. Understand how raising your deductible changes your risk and cost. Create a mock insurance quote so you can better prepare before applying. Just input your car model, age, driving history, and goals, and the AI can walk you through optimized policy structures. Step 12. Reassess and renew smarter with AI. Once you've chosen a provider, use a calendar or personal assistant AI, like Google Assistant, to remind you 30 days before renewal. Have comparison bots check new rates automatically. Adjust your policy as your situation changes, e.g., upgrading your car or moving. Many beginners stick with their first policy for too long and overpay. AI makes it easy to reshop annually. Step 13. Learn car insurance lingo with AI explainers. Car insurance is full of jargon, deductibles, underinsured motorist coverage, no-fault laws, etc. Use free AI explainers from platforms like YouTube AI Summaries, ChatGPT Ask, Explain Collision Deductible Waiver like I'm 18, Google Gemini or Bing AI for fast answers. This ensures you actually understand your policy, and that's key to saving money and avoiding surprises. Step 14. Protect your personal data. AI tools are powerful, but you should use them carefully. Only share sensitive info on secure, verified platforms. Avoid giving out your social security number unless it's required by a licensed insurer. Use VPNs and password managers when signing up for quotes. AI protects your data when used right, but beginners must still be cautious. Step 15. Stay updated with AI-powered insurance trends. The car insurance industry is evolving fast. Use AI news tools like Feedly with AI filters, Google Alerts with AI summaries, Substack newsletters curated by AI. These will notify you about new discounts, laws, and insurer changes that can help you stay ahead and continue saving. Conclusion. Getting cheap car insurance as a beginner used to be confusing and time-consuming. But thanks to AI, you now have access to powerful tools that compare dozens of rates instantly, track your driving and credit to offer better deals, personalize your coverage and discounts, automate renewals and alerts. By following the steps above, you can save hundreds of dollars a year and get peace of mind knowing your policy is tailored to your needs. Let AI do the heavy lifting and focus on driving safely and building experience. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.